In this video, we will walk you through how to set up approval policies. Approval policies help companies streamline the approval process no matter how complex they may be. Go to Settings from the left navigation menu and go to Approval Policies. Click on the Add New button. In the Approval Policy window, add the name of the policy and simply tick any of the boxes to configure whether you want to apply the policy for purchase requests, purchase quotes, purchase orders, bills, transactions, receipt notes, or vendors. Approval levels are where you can add multiple layers of approvers. For example, you can add the business unit head as the first level approver. Once approved by the business unit head, it will pass on the approval to the second level approver, the department director. Choose AND for the approvals that need to be approved by all the approvers, and select OR for the approvals that need only one person from the approval level to approve. Approval brackets allow you to add more approval layers based on the amount. You can add up to 10 approval levels to a single approval bracket. For example, you can set an approval bracket of value between $0 and $100 to be approved by only 2 approvers. But from $100 to $1,000, it needs the approval of the manager, business unit head, and also the director of the department. You can add limitless approval brackets to a single approval policy. The policy can be divided into multiple directions based on the approval matrix of your organization and attributions of the bill, PO, or other objects. By adding multiple rules to an approval level, the approval policy will automatically branch off the route to the right approvers. These functionalities in approval automation are what makes Peakflo enterprise ready. After defining your required approval policy, click Save and Close. To edit the approval policy, simply click on the approval policy, then click on the Edit button, add the changes, and click on Save. To delete an approval policy, from the bottom of the approval window, click on Delete Policy. For more information, check out our help portal at help.peakflo.co or send us an email to support@peakflo.co.